Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can gather, we're doing the shave test today. On a gold dollar. I've sold a couple of these before and they've always gone down very well with the customer. Always quite impressed with the styling. And the general looks of the thing, you know. So it's new in the packet. It comes with a travel pouch. With the gold dollar emblem on it. Nice pretty case, travel case, just handy for your travelling. Got a nice fitted case to it. It fits quite snugly in there. So here's the real deal. I think these are made from carbon steel. And it's got some engraving on the side of the blade, gold dollar. It's got a really exaggerated point, Spanish point. Stainless steel wedge. It looks like stainless steel anyway. Nice scalloped tang. Monkey tail, as it's known. And a nice black ebony handle. So quite a pretty blade. Aggressive looking. So I would say you'd have to be very, very careful at this point here. So let's see how far we get with this. Oh, that's a 5-day beard, so quite a tough stage as well. So it's munched its way through that, no problem. I think with the packaging being as it is, the travel case make an ideal gift, birthday gift. You've got to watch your ears. Because that point is quite exaggerated. You know, you can see against my t-shirt there that it's quite a an exaggerated point. And quite easy to misjudge, I would say. On the positive side, that point will get right in to where you want it to go. You know, if you're sculpting around your tash under your nose or in shaping your beard, that point will get everywhere and anywhere. Right in there. So I can get right underneath the tash. Here, I can just lift the tash right out of the way, and I'm going to get right underneath. Oh. We've got a nick. Only to be expected, I guess, if we get the angle slightly wrong. It's a bit of a bitch. We'll put a bit of alum lock. You haven't got to be frightened of these things, you know. As Del Boy would say, he who dares wins. He who dares gets nicked. It refreshes. So again here, we're going to have to get in this corner, but it's not working blind a little bit because my hand's in the way. And I don't do left-handed shaving. My left hand's for playing the guitar, not for shaving with. So I'm sort of feeling my way in there. There we go. That'll do. And just pull the tash out of the way. This corner. There, look. I could actually feel each hair being sliced with the point of that. Not a very good advert, this, is it? But it just shows, you know, I'm quite an experienced user of straight razors, and you've only got to be slightly out with the angle. And this is why I recommend a round point for people who are starting off with a straight razor. You don't want to go right in at a deep end, you know, with a spike point, or especially something as exaggerated as that. Again, I can get right underneath there. It reminds me of my first shave with a straight razor. My mate Ian said, "So, you're a bathroom blood donor then?" I said, "Yep, I'm a bathroom blood donor." But it's all part of the learning curve. No harm done. It's like everything in life. You need practice. And practice makes perfect. Just like me. Right. I think that just about proves it's shave ready. You know? It's a very close shave, very extremely sharp, as I hope I've demonstrated. So if you're using one of these, just be careful around the corners of your mouth that you don't dig in here, because you can catch the edge of your lip, and round the ears. When you go into the corner of the ear there, just be careful when you're going through into that point and here. Otherwise you'll end up with like Vinnie Van Gogh. You know Vincent Van Gogh? Yes. Well, as the story goes, old Vinnie Van Gogh lost his ear in a romantic tiff. But it's not true. He chopped his ear off because he was using one of these. Oh yes. Okay, I think that's shave test over with now for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video and had a laugh at me slicing my face to bits today. I think my skin's a little bit out of action as well. My skin's a bit dry at the moment for some reason, I don't know why. so that doesn't help. But, and the soap I'm using is quite a rich Pro Raso white, and even that has made it a little bit drier. Anyway, that's enough of that for now. So I'm at the oncologist's tomorrow, so that'll be my last video this week, because this chemotherapy sort of knocks you sideways for a few days. So, but I'll be back together next week. Have a good weekend. Thanks very much for watching again, and speak to you soon. Bye for now. Bye.